Now, 90% of new resellers are gonna be upset that they did not jump on the wave and listen to these kind of videos because ChatGPT and AI, once again, is completely changing the way many industries work. And in this video, I'm gonna give you more ways to accelerate your sneaker reselling career by using ChatGPT to automate a bunch of things. Because see, if you follow any of my ChatGPT or AI content, then you know I'm one of those people who preach, hey, ChatGPT by itself isn't gonna make us the money, but what it is gonna do is give us more time. And if you've ever heard the saying, time is money, that is 100% correct. I've already showed you how to actually create your own sneaker bot that'll automatically enter in sneaker draws for you if you have multiple accounts. I've already shown you how to build an eBay bot that, boom, in 1 second can tell you the sold price on any given shoe that you want so that you don't have to guess the value when you're looking for a shoe to cop. But before I give you all this sauce, man, what's up? My name Rico. I create a video every day about how to make money online. Please leave me a comment where you're from because I'm actually making a map and I want to put a pin on every single city that I've ever touched. And if I give you some value by the end of this video, can you please subscribe? So before we get into this smoke, bro, I want to announce my cook group, Rico's Cooks, is off the ground. Now, once again, my cook group, bro, is centered around helping the reseller who's a beginner, right? Give everybody the attention they need, answer the questions that they need. Shock drops, release guides, bypass links. If you don't know what a bypass link is, if you're ever sitting in queue on a lot of these drops and wondering like, bro, how are people able to just get right in? It's because they are getting bypass links. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a giveaway, right? I'm gonna have the rules in the link of this video, right? And I'm gonna announce the winner in 2 days, right? In 2 days. If you want a free membership, because it's gonna be limited since we're gonna have to give everybody that time. If you want a free membership, then hit the link in my description to find out how to get in for free. Alright, so once again, one of the ways that we can use ChatGPT to just accelerate what we're doing, and in this video, in this example, we're talking about sneaker reselling. I know we're gonna do 2 things with ChatGPT that usually takes you a long time to do, or I've even seen people selling these digital files, and I'm gonna show you how to create them yourself. So the first thing is a profit and loss kind of number sheet, right? And if you're unfamiliar with numbers, if you have an iPhone, then you have the numbers app on your iPhone. Can the camera see that app? You have the numbers app, but anyway, on my Mac, I have that too. And what I'm gonna do is create a numbers, and it's just like an Excel sheet. It's Apple's response. It's Apple's competitor to Excel. And it's basically gonna calculate my profits and loss, how much I'm spending and everything like that, right? So what you're gonna do is come over here and say, I want to build a numbers file spreadsheet. Sorry, I want it to have product name, paid price, which is going to represent how much I paid for it, and then sold price, and then the last column I want to calculate the profit margins. Wait, and I'm going to add and profit, and I want to calculate the profit margins, and boom. And so ChatGPT is gonna tell us how to do that. Right now, this, like I said, this new version of ChatGPT is for some reason feels like it wants to start doing the bare minimum. But so you gotta tell it, make me a form. Can you walk me through creating the formulas for this? And it's gonna tell you. Boom. And so it tells us, right? And so I was able to do it in numbers. I was able to kind of set my sheet up. All right, so boom, here's my sheet. These aren't real values. These is just what I put in here to test. So we can add in Panda Dunks. We can say we paid 109, right? And then we've got them we sold them for 220, and it shows us how much profit we made. And then I even went in and added in these, kind of formatted these sales and showed, hey, this is how much I'm profiting. This is how much, you know, I maybe took a L on some of these columns, right? And the good thing is, once again, you could take this file, you could send it to your phone, and then boom, run it right off of your phone. So while you're on the go, you can be putting in your stuff, right? Now, bro, I just showed you that once again. How you're gonna use that is when you're out and about, when you put that on your phone, instead of having to guess how much your payout would be or stop and find a fee calculator, you can have it right there in your pocket that you could just pull it out, right? Next, I'm gonna ask it, can you help me create a an Apple numbers spreadsheet that calculates the profits based on a tax and fee system. All right, so now it's telling me, boom, how to exactly put that formula in and calculate that. So we're gonna do it. After wrestling with ChatGPT for a while, I'm able to come, and once again, I know that the margin on eBay isn't 8, or the fee on eBay isn't 8%, but just for the sake of this video, I wanted to show you how easy it was for ChatGPT to come in and create this for you. And so now, even if you're, let's say, at Ross, right, and you need to know on the fly, man, how much profit would I get from eBay, right? You could plug in, let's say you paid 300 for it. Let's say you paid 3, sold it for 4, you know, you made $100 profit, but and only gonna make 68 with fees and shipping or whatever on eBay or whatever platform you plug in there, bro. So once again, this is just, I told you from the jump, bro, ChatGPT isn't gonna itself make us a bunch of money, but what it is gonna do is just make us more efficient, make us faster, give us a personal assistant, bro, and that in itself is gonna make us more money. Like, it can also write me the code, right, to kind of create my own little mini cook group, right? Because ultimately, if you were really gonna join, if you were gonna really make a cook group, then you would hook this up to a bunch of different providers, a bunch of different people who provide these things for Discord bots. However, this is just for the regular person, right? If you wanted to do this for free, then this can write you the code. ChatGPT can write you the code to create all of this for yourself. Now, another important part of sneaker reselling is just where you getting your info from, bro. How are you knowing how are you knowing when shock drops happen? How quick are you finding out, right? I have a video about why cook groups are so important. Meet me on that video, man. Rico gang, I love y'all. Let's get it.